AI voice to X apps are nothing new. I believe you can easily find a bunch of voice to notes, voice to business memos, voice to emails, voice to lectures, etc. on the market right now. But have you ever thought about building your own voice to X app? A common problem I have found with most voice to X apps on the market right now is that although their core function of transcribing, cleaning up, and restructuring text into something meaningful quite good, they are actually lacking some critical features that make it work in my actual business context. For example, I would prefer my writer agent to be able to have all the context about my business, what my business is, what my role is, etc., so that whenever I ask it to write something for me, I don't have to repeat all such information again and again. I also prefer these writer agents to be able to learn from my past content to understand my tone and style to mimic my style in its responses. Furthermore, oftentimes I want the AI to create many versions of content from my note. I want an email, but sometimes I also may want a LinkedIn post, an X post, or even a video script based on what I have said. With all of those requirements, the solution I came up with is actually to build my own voice to X system. And it's not difficult at all. It doesn't even require you to know coding. By using MyPal, you can easily spin off an AI system that can easily turn your messy thoughts into many kinds of content in the exact way you want. Let me show you how. To get started, let's go to our MyPal account to start building some writing AI agents that help me to turn my messy thoughts into something meaningful. Let's say, let's build an AI agent to help me write my emails to customers. I can start an AI agent simply by describing the job to be done for this agent. In this case, to ghostwrite an email to the customers of a SaaS. And I can start generate with AI, and my email ghostwriter will emerge. Now I can further customize it to so that it actually works in my case. First, I would like to simplify the design output format. It should just be an email to all the customers of MyPal. Now I think I should customize the background a little bit so that it understand that this agent is actually me and is writing to the customers. You are Sylvia, uh, one of the founders of MyPow.io, a platform for building AI agents and multi-agent workflows to automate tasks in businesses. Then you then I can further customize the other settings. First of all, the knowledge. I think I can add MyPal website as a knowledge of this agent so that it understand what MyPal is about. Uh, I will also want to customize the output. In this case, I want to teach it my own style so that it can mimic my style when writing the emails. To do that, I can simply provide some existing content that I have created before here, and MyPal will try to understand my brand voice. And then I can add this style as Sylvia's style. And then I can assign this style to this agent so that it will try to mimic this style when writing emails for me. On MyPal, I also have the option to choose any AI model of my choice to power this AI agent. I think Claude 3.5 Sonnet is always the best when it comes to writing, so I'm gonna select it here. Now, I think the setup is good enough, so let's save this AI agent. Now that my AI agent is in place, I can start using these AI agents right away to help me convert my thoughts into emails. However, what I would like to do is I would like a whole workflow that will take a voice memo of mine, then turn it into an email, but also an expose and a LinkedIn post all in one go. Because typically, when I announce something, maybe product updates to my customers, I will also want to share it on social media as well. So to make it easier, I would like to build a multi-agent workflow for this purpose, because with a multi-agent workflow on MyPal, I can combine all three agents to write emails, LinkedIn posts, and expose all in one go. To start, I can just simply describe the kind of workflow I need here. Given a note, write an email based on the note, then turn the email into an expose, then turn the email into a LinkedIn post too. You can add more steps here if you want. Then MyPal will help to generate the initial setup for me exactly the way I want it. So with that, I can assign the email ghostwriter I have created previously here. I can also find my Twitter post agent I had to this second step. And then I also have a LinkedIn writer too. So let's save the workflow. Now we are redirected into the AI workflow builder, where you can further customize the AI workflow as if needed. You can change the input a little bit. You can reorder the steps here. You can optimize the prompt for each. For me, I think this is good enough, so I can start using this AI workflow right away. But before that, one additional step I do is that I will actually publish this AI workflow as a form and use it from this public link instead. The reason why is I want to be able to access this AI workflow anytime, anywhere I want, not just on a laptop but also on mobile, etc. And I don't want the hassle of having to signing in to MyPal every time I want to use it. So I will publish it as a form like this, and I can just save this link. And whenever I want to quickly draft emails, I can just click this link and try this out. So let's say. Let's try this. I will try speaking something about a product update of MyPal, and let's see how it turns my messy thoughts into meaningful content. Write email to my pal customers sharing that we have just upgraded the tool library for AI agents. Now you can add tools to your AI agents to provide them with extra capabilities such as generating images, generating audio, generating PowerPoint, generating mind map, etc. You can also add your own custom tool for the integrations that are not yet available, such as adding integrations with Perplexity API, News API, etc. Now, right after I finish speaking, MyPal will help me transcribe my speech for me. And then once I hit submit, this little tool will help me to write an email. And as you can see, it's writing in my style. Very cool. Then turn it into an X post and also a LinkedIn post that I can easily take and post on my own social media. So that's it. That's how simple and easy it is for you to build your own voice to X app on MyPal. Depending on your needs, feel free to create as many AI workflows as you want, maybe voice to business memo, voice to lecture notes, etc. So please head over to mypad.io, try building this AI workflow out, And for reference purpose, I will also link this AI workflow in the video description for you to try it out too. I hope you find today's video helpful, and I will see you in the next videos.